Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So basically in this video we will learn how to, first of all we will create an issue here and then close it but from our Git bash. So let's first of all create a issue, sorry, not user, it's new issue. For example, in this user we want to tell, for example, let's let's write ignore as a title, and for example we want to tell the developer to not push, for example, all the files that end with png, or don't push the image in our repository. So ignore all file that end with .png, and let's give it, for example, some bug, and let's submit the issue. And now let's do that. Let's go to our Git bash. Make me clear this. And as we know, to ignore a file, let's change that, and let's go to our website, my website, yeah, ls. So now we don't want to push this file and this file and this file, so basically everything that end with png. This is what the issue. So, and as we know, to ignore some file to be not pushed to GitHub, we need to add them to git repo to .git ignore. So let's do that. Let's go to our code editor. Let's search for git ignore, not that one, but so let me open in this new my website with code space dot, hit enter. So this is my website, the folder of my website. This is our code editor. So let's go to git ignore and let's ignore everything that end with png. So basically this dot png, and just tell with this everything that ends with png, it will not be pushed to our repository. So now let's commit and add that. So git add dot, now let's commit git commit dash m, and I see that I fixed the problem, but now I want to close the issue from our git bash. So dot, and I will put close, or I will write close, but now I need to write and know the ID of the issue. So let's know that, and here it is. This is the ID of the issue. It's ds2. So we need to close and to write ds2 and then close those two, and now hit enter. So now it will be committed, and now let's push it to the repository. So with git push, let's hit enter, and normally it will push the fine and clear. And it gives us here some problem because every time we push, we need to make sure that everything is up to date between our remote repository and local repository. So first let's pull, hit enter to make the both in same place, on same code in the boot. So everything now it's pulled. Let's hit enter or space view. So now let's get status. Now everything is good. So let's again commit this, and then let's push, git push, let's hit enter, and now it will push like normally and clear. So remember, before you use push, just make sure that everything is up to date between the local repository and remote repository. So we see here that this open here is changed to closed, and so now we know how to close an issue from our local or from Git bash, and we close it also in repository. So now it's closed. If we go back to the issue, we will find that there aren't any issue yet. See here, 0 issue, but 2 are closed. If we click on those 2, we found the issue that we closed. So basically those are the both issue that we already fixed and closed. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.